Hello, my name is Tim Manzke, and I'm going to have a short lesson on how to convert decimals into fractions. Just a couple of examples just to illustrate the concept. What you want to do is, like, for example, let's say you have the number 5/10. You have one digit after after the decimal point, or to the right of the decimal point. When you want to write a decimal as a fraction, you look for the number of digits after the decimal point. So, for example, I got one digit after the decimal point. So what I would do to find its equivalent is you take the number 5, and because it's in the 10th place, you write the fraction as 5/10. Anytime that you are writing a fraction, or you convert the decimal to a fraction, write the fraction in the lowest terms. For example, 5 times 1 over 5 times 2. Notice that both the 5 and the 10 share a common factor of 5, and this will reduce the fraction to 1/2. Another example. Let's say, for example, you have 1700ths. Now, 1700ths, okay, the 17 would be the top part of your fraction. Those are the digits after the decimal point. Now you have two digits after the decimal point. The 7 is ending in the hundredths place, so you'd write as 17 over 100. Another example. Let's say you have the following. Let's say you have 0.306. Now, this number is 306 thousandths. So what I would do here is I'd say 306, and then the fraction 1,000, because the 6 is ending in the thousandths place. Now, for this one, reduce the fraction to lowest terms. I'm not sure how many times or what common factor the 306 and 1,000 have. So what you could do is you could say, all right, well, 306 is an even number, and so was 1,000. So we could look for common factors of 2. So, for example, 306 divided by 2, that would give you 153. So I could say, all right, 2 times 153, and then I could say 2 times 500. They share a common factor of 2. So I can reduce the fraction to 153 over 500. You want to look for other common factors. 500 has a factor of 2 and a factor of 5. Factors for 153, there's a little trick you can use. If you take 1 plus 5 plus 3, 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. This has a common factor of 9, because if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then, so for example, 153 divided by 9 would give you 17. 153 is also divisible by 3, because if you add the digits, it's 9. But however, if I look at the remaining factors of the numerator, I have 3 times 3 times 17, and in the denominator of 2 times 5 times 5 times 5. I don't have any common factors. Since I don't have any common factors, my answer, 153 over 500, is reduced to lowest terms. Okay, so that was a short lesson on how to convert fractions to, decimals of fractions. If you have any questions, please contact me. Otherwise, please take care and have a nice day. Thanks.